Good morning mga kamu! So today we are here in Mall of Asia and we are here in Seaside Boulevard. So today may pupuntahan tayong isang restaurant in which I'm really craving for kasi matagal na akong hindi nakakain, which is Thai food. So sundan nyo ako and then let's go para makita nyo kung saan yung sinasabi kong restaurant. Okay? Okay mga kamoods, let's go na. Sundan nyo ako para puntahan natin yung restaurant na kakainan natin for today. Konting lakad, konting kembot na lang, mapupunta na tayo dun sa restaurant na sinasabi ko. Okay. Ayan. So, nandito na tayo guys sa Mall of Asia. Dito tayo sa may kabilang side dumaan. So, dito yung entrance ng pupuntahan nating restaurant. So, makadadaanan mo yung Cheryl's Best Coffee. And then, BDO. And then, pasok tayo dito. Ito yung restaurant na pupuntahan natin, which is Basil. Nakita niyo ba? Basil Authentic Thai Cuisine. Ayan. So we have a reservation by 10 in the morning. So let's go. Pasok mo tayo sa loob.
Good day mga kamoods! So today, I would just like to give a disclaimer regarding the videos that I am uploading. So I would just like to reiterate that this is a personal lifestyle vlog. So all opinions expressed here are my own and has not been influenced by any means. And my reviews are based on my experience when I visited the place at that time. Now, it is very important that I would just like you to know, mga kamoods, that I am not a food critic, nor do I consider myself one. This is just a platform in order for me to be able to express and review my own personal dining experiences. May it be Have, Carry, or Wale. It's already going to be something that is based on my own preference. If you disagree or agree with me at any point in time or do not receive the same experience, I will not be responsible because everyone will have their own unique dining experiences. So also, I would just like to inform you guys that all the meals are paid for by me. However, if any of the meals or products are going to be sponsored, or for example, I am going to be invited as a guest, I will definitely disclose it at the end of each vlog. Okay? So let's continue with our vlog.
Hi sir, sawadee ka.
Hi, thank you. Welcome. Try ko dito sa Basil. It's my first time here. Okay, thank you. So, order na ako ha, dito sa ano. So, order ako nung tom yum soup.
Can I answer any allergies po? Wala naman po.
Wala naman akong allergy. Tapos, yung pad thai. Tapos, itong chicken green curry. Aha. And then, yung bagoong rice. Thai bagoong rice. Good for two ba to?
Actually sir, all of these is good for 20 persons.
Ay, okay. Hindi pa naman ako nag-breakfast. Tapos, yung... Ay, meron kayong beef satay, right?
Sir, we have sir.
Yan. Ilang pieces tong beef satay niyo? Sige. Okay, so meron ako. Okay, ano pa? Tapos, pad thai, tapos tom yum.
Sir, pad thai, green chicken curry, bagong rice, then beef satay sir.
Okay, and then sa drinks,
Dito po kayo sir.
oo, ito. Ano bang mas mabenta dito sa drinks nyo?
Mostly sir, na pinipili ko dito sir, yung tamarind juice with ginger sir.
O sige, sa akin tamarind juice with ginger. Sa'yo rin? O sige, tamarind juice with ginger. Ano yung maliit lang yon? Ganito lang.
So sir, bali,
Parang ganito.
shake glass po siya sir.
Okay. Pero malaki siya. Okay. And then, parang yun na ata. Mga ilang minutes ba to bago?
20 to 25 minutes.
O sige. Ano yung una muna isi-serve mo dito?
Isang tom yum sir, isang pad thai, isang green chicken curry, isang bagong rice, 1 beef satay, then 2 tamarind juice.
Kahit una mo muna i-serve yung tom yum at saka yung yung pad thai, parang Tapos sunod mo na lang yung satay, yung curry, yung... Ay, meron din kayong ano, di ba? Yung crispy fish with... ano ba yun? What's that?
Fish with on the basis, sir.
Ay, hindi. Yung ano...
Calamari, sir.
Hindi yung crispy fish with mango, something like
No,
that.
sir. This one is crispy fish with mango salad.
Oo, to.
It's catfish.
O catfish to, hito kasi to, favorite ko hito. Yan. Yan, kahit iunahin mo muna to, yung tom yum saka yung pad, isunod mo na lang yung the rest. Tapos saka lagay mo na rin yung mga drinks.
That would be all, sir.
O yun lang. Kasi pag masyado madami, hindi ako makapagbayad. Thank you!
So today, we are going to do a review for the restaurant that we were able to visit, which is Basil. So let's start first with our first criteria, which is the place. So guys, Basil is located in a Mall of Asia. So malapit siya guys dito banda sa Seaside Boulevard, as if kung makikita nyo dun sa video natin kung saan tayo nanggaling. And then, of course, hindi kayo mamumroblema when it comes to parking kasi that's Mall of Asia. Kalat-kalat lang siya. But of course, make sure na alam nyo kung saan kayo nag-park kasi kapag hindi mo nilagyan ng tinandaan maigi kung saan kayo nag-park, baka ma-lost kayo. Kamukha nung nangyari sa amin. It took us a lot of time para mapunta doon sa parking area kasi nakalimutan namin exactly kung saan kami nag-park. Kasi ang daming pwede mong pag-park sa Mall of Asia. But having said that, the place for Basil, makikita mo na talaga na the decor was thoroughly thought out kasi makikita mo yung Thai influence nung place. Pagpasok mo, malalaman mo talaga na Thai restaurant siya. Even the utensils that is being used to serve the food are also Thai inspired. And then maganda yung place kasi maluwag siya. And then they also, you can also pay via GCash, pwede rin siya by cash or by card. And ang ganda din ng CR nila actually. So wala akong masasabi. Isa lang ang masasabi ko when it comes to the place. For Basil, your place is have na have. Okay? Let's proceed to the next criteria that we are going to judge mga kamood. And that would be the service. So, ang gagalang ng mga waiter dito sa Basil, and they're really very accommodating, and they're also giving us suggestions when it comes to the food that they have. And then ang maganda din dito is they try to build a small conversation with me. Probably na-notice nila na I was doing a vlog, and they even got my YouTube channel address, and then the waiters are able to tell me what are the expectations, kung gaano katagal bago makuha yung food, and asking if the food is okay and alright. And then I don't know if they have like this standards when they are hiring for waiters, pero napansin ko na in fairness, may mga itsura ang kanilang mga waiters. So, isa lang ang masasabi ko when it comes to the service, I feel like I'm really being welcomed and I am really being taken care of. Kasi alam mo yung feeling na ginagawa lang ng waiter yung trabaho niya kasi kailangan niyang gawin. Pero yung feeling na alam mo na inaasikaso ka habang nandun ka, naramdaman ko yung warm hospitality. So for Basil, that's going to be a very big have. Okay, so mga kamuts, we are on the last part of our review, yung pinaka-importante, which is all about the food. Okay, thank you. Ayan.
This one is crispy fish with mango salad.
Okay.
Which called in Thailand, pwede.
Okay, thank you. Ayan. So, thank you. Sige, ano. Okay, mga kamood. So, ito na yung drinks natin. So, based dito sa kanilang menu, ang tawag dito is, ito yung tamarind juice with ginger. Tapos, ito naman yung, ano nila, crispy fish with green mango salad. So, guys, ito yung hito. Parang naka-flakes na lang siya. Yan. So, yan siya. So, ito yung ano nila, starter nila. So, tingnan nyo to guys, no? Pakita ko sa inyo how it looks like. So, yan siya, di ba? So, makikita mo yung flakes niya. Tapos, underneath niyan, guys, makikita mo, meron siyang mga mangoes. Ayan, no? Tapos, may mga, I think this is peanuts ata. Tapos, makikita mo, may mga siling labuyo. And then, yeah, so this is how it looks like. No? Ang sarap niya, guys. Yan. Tapos, ito naman yung tom yum. Yan, tom yum soup. Thank you so much. Dito ba nila? Yan, okay. Diyan na rin. Yan, tom yum soup. Thank you. Yes. So, ito naman yung tom yum soup nila, guys, which is a famous soup in Thai cuisine, yung tom yum soup. So, usually, the tom yum soup is usually served na meron siyang apoy underneath it para hindi nawawala yung init niya. Yan siya, oh. And then, usually, this is made of seafood. Kaya kanina, tinanong tayo nung waiter kung meron tayong allergy. Ayan. And then, thank you so much for the serving, ladle. And then, yan. Thank you so much for the assistance. Yan. Thank you. Okay. Yan. So, yan siya, guys. So, pag tinignan nyo siya, guys, pakita ko sa inyo siya how it looks like, no? Ayan, no? Nakita nyo, guys, may shrimp siya. And then, aside sa shrimp, usually meron din itong squid or fish. Ayan, no? And then, makikita mo may coriander. And then, meron din tong galanggal. Usually, what they use is galanggal. Ito may squid, oh. Yung nakita mo yung squid. Yan. Tapos, meron din tong paste na ginagamit specifically for tom yum soup. Ayan siya. Okay. Taste na natin yung mga appetizers. Unahin muna natin yung soup nila, yung tom yum soup nila. Okay. Taste na natin. Yung sarap, guys. Balance, guys, yung ano nila. Yung sweetness, yung sour, at saka yung spicy. Sarap. Tapos ang fresh nung lasa nung ingredients na ginamit nila. Tingnan natin yung shrimp kung fresh din. Ay, sorry. Gutom na ako, guys. Pasensya na. Ayan, tingnan natin yung shrimp, kung anong lasa ng shrimp. Ayan. So, ito yung shrimp. Ayan, uusok-usok pa, no? Ayan. Tingnan natin. Fresh. Hindi siya matigas. And then, let's go and taste natin tong crispy hito nila. Yung salad with mangoes. Kung anong lasa. Tikman natin to, guys. Oh my God. Super complimenting yung onions, yung crispy hito, and then yung mangga. Tapos meron din siyang cashews. Ayan. Ang sarap. Nakakagano siyang kainin, guys. Hindi kami kisisi. Definitely this is a must order at saka yung tom yum. And yung drinks nila, sarap. And then, ito yan yung pad thai. Yeah, let's put it here na lang, pad thai. Thank you. Okay, thank you so much. So, ito naman, guys, yung pad thai nila. So, authentic pad thai usually has, makikita mo siya, meron siyang toge, and then shrimps, diba? Tapos makikita mo may tofu, tapos ito yung pepper, and then ito yung lemon, tapos usually may peanuts din siya. So yun yung itsura niya, guys. Yan. So mata nyo bagong luto kasi umuusok-usok pa, no? So what I do here, guys, is I always get the lemon muna and then I really sprinkle it muna here, yan, para yung seafood hindi masyadong malakas yung flavor, yan. Saka yung acid mag-mix doon. And then kung gusto mo ng medyo may peanuts or gusto mo ng more pepper, pwede naman, pero kung ayaw mo, that's okay, that's fine. Ang maganda dito may option ka kasi nasa gilid siya, hindi siya naka-mix. Ikaw nang bahala kung i-mix mo siya o hindi. So let's taste their pad thai. So the pad thai, let's see. Oh my God. Ang sarap. Ang crunchy yung toge pag kinakain mo siya. And then, yung peanut na lasa. And then nagko-complement yung chili powder pag nilagay mo. Oh my God. Authentic. Masarap talaga.
Sir, green chicken curry, sir.
Thank you. And then, yan. Sellable yan sa inyo, no? So, yung beef satay nilang hinihintay na. Thank you. So, mga kamods, ito yung in-order natin, no? Yung green curry. Yan. Nakita nyo ba yan, guys? Yung green curry na yan. Yan. So, this is how it looks like. So, I think this is mint leaves. Itong nasa unahan na to. And then, ito yung pinaka... Ang bango. Guys, ang bango. Sarap. And then ito, guys, ano to, filet ng chicken yung ginamit nila. I think this is the breast part already. Ayan, ito yung beef satay nila. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Okay. Okay. So ito yung ano, balik tayo sa green curry natin, which is mga chicken breast to. And then what they put in is, naamoy ko yung curry nila. Ang bango. No, naamoy ko siya, ang sarap. Let's taste muna. And I think parang may siya, mayroong zucchini. Ito guys, yung green na to, this is zucchini. Ayan, zucchini yan. Ayan. Ito yung pinaka-chicken breast. And then let's see and taste kung masarap nga siya. Okay. Ang sarap. Hindi overpowering yung curry taste niya. And then the vegetables, ang lambot, masarap. And then, ito naman yung beef satay nila. So, meron kang dalawang klaseng sauce. Ito yung peanut sauce. Tapos yung isa naman is yung usual na vinegar na pamukha dito sa Pinas, no? So, taste natin yung beef satay nila. Pwede na, pero I'm not really a fan of the taste. Kasi nakatikim na ako ng other beef satay, pero parang feeling ko kulang sa flavoring yung lasa ng beef satay. But let's go and check with ito yung bagoong rice nila, guys. So the bagoong rice, it has like mangoes and then meron siyang scrambled eggs. Ito yung pinakabagoong rice. Plus, meron din siyang kasamang pork sa gilid. Ngayon, kung gusto mo na ng spicy, ang maganda dito sa basil, hinihiwalay nila kung gusto mo ng more chili, kung gusto mo ng garlic. Itong peanuts. So, taste natin kung ano yung lasa ng bagoong Thai rice nila. So, ako kasi guys, kino-combine ko to. Ganyan ako kumain ito. Para mas nalalasahan ko yung combination ng flavors niya. Okay. And then, lagyan natin konting chili. And then, konting, I think this is shallots. Shallots pala to, no? And then, we have ito yung, I think this is the garlic ata ito. Ay, no. Ito yung hibe, guys. Ito yung, alam niyo yung hibe, yung small, yung iba minsan pinangsasahog nila sa munggo. Ayan, yan siya. Okay. So, let's taste how if we put it all together, kung anong lasa niya. God. Perfect, guys. Approved. Nag-compliment yung linggo, yung sa bagoong, sa pork, sa spiciness, at saka dito sa. So definitely, good job siya. Masarap siya. So let's kain tayo.
Alright. So guys, in Basil, I ordered pad thai and tom yum. Kasi tom yum soup. Kasi usually, di ba, kapag Thai food, yun yung dalawang usually that Thai cuisine is usually associated. So, ang sarap ng tom yum soup nila because yung spices, nalalasahan mo yung component ng mga spice na ginamit doon. And ang maganda doon, hindi overpowering yung anghang niya. So, makakain mo siya creamy pa rin, nilalasahan kang creamy. Kasi di ba usually pag Thai food, they try to balance the sweet, the sour, the spicy,
and the salty. Kasi ganun ang Thai cuisine. And ang pad Thai nila, it's also delicious. I really feel that it's an authentic pad Thai cuisine with the noodles, with the ingredients that they have used, fresh yung mga vegetables. And then, we also ordered yung kanilang tamarind juice. Ang sarap ng tamarind juice nila, in fairness. So, isa yan sa mga marirecommend ko. If you're gonna be going in Basil, yung tamarind juice nila, masarap yon. And then tom yum soup and pad Thai, those three things, hindi ka magkakamali if you're gonna be getting those food. And then aside from that, we also have the catfish mango salad. Masarap siya kasi malaki yung servings niya. In other words, keto flake siya na merong mga slices ng mango. And then may konting, a little bit of slice ng mga chili. And then I think parang meron ata siyang fish sauce in it. Pero ang sarap niya kainin kasi nakakagana siya pag kinain mo siya. And then we also for the mains, we also ordered for green curry na chicken siya. It's chicken breast na with green curry. Ang sarap din actually. Malinamnam din siya. And then we also ordered yung beef satay. Well, I think among all of sa mga in-order ko, yung beef satay ang medyo okay lang. Hindi ako masyadong na-impress. It's just the usual beef satay. Pero isa ring masarap dito guys, yung binagoongan rice nila. So for example, kung ayaw mong umorder ng ibang mga ulam and then you just wanted to order like yung parang one dish in all, then yung binagoongan rice ang ordering mo kasi ando na lahat. There are pork bits and then may rice and then meron ding mango slices. Ang sarap. So based on all of those food na kinain ko sa Basil, ang masasabi ko when it comes to their food, it's also have. So, you know me naman guys, it's very rare that I give 3 have. So, congratulations sa Basil because you got 3 have from me for your food, service, and place. And I hope that you would continue doing good service, providing also excellent service to all of your customers. Now, the final verdict is, will I go back to Basil? Yes, of course, 1,000%. I will go back. Kapag nag-crave ako for Thai food, definitely Basil is the place to be. So, that's it. And I hope that you enjoyed your journey with me habang pinapanood yung videos and while giving these reviews. I hope na makatulong din sa inyo ito in the future when you would want to look for places that you would want to eat na Thai cuisine. I recommend you should try Basil in Mall of Asia.